Geobyte.
Welcome back to GeoByte. So how are you all? I hope you all are good and safe. So yeah, trick time. So yeah, trick time. So what is the trick? So I am going to give you the trick of two-digit multiplication. Okay. After that, I am going to give you the three-digit multiplication also. So we know that we can take any number. Let's say if I am going to take like 12, 23 like this, or I can say like 25 or 15 something like this. I have to multiply in a traditional way. It is going to take much time. So what I have to do is I am going to give you a trick that is. So I am going to give a little more trick. Just concentrate on this, and after this you are not going to get much more time on multiplication because it is going to give you a very proper method, and with that method you are going to get it very simply, easily, and you won't waste time on that. I can assure that. So आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, थोड़ा देखना है. So sit back and relax and see. Like take it like a B C D. Like that you want to multiply with the two-digit number. So you have to multiply this one first. Then after these two, then after this. So like step by step, right? Like first step. Step 1. B into D. Step 2. A into D plus B into C. Step 3. A into C. कुछ just do it first slowly. After that you will pick up the speed. Then you will do it very easily and very quickly, very efficiently also. So see that. So nothing would be there. We have to do this thing. And if any carries would be there, we have to add them. And that is the final answer, and we will get. See that. So if I am going to do this for 12 into 23, what should I have to do is I have to multiply these two. 3 into 3 is like 6. I can write it like that there directly. So every time you have to remember one thing. Every time you have to go right to left. That's what we will do in the traditional method also. Here you have to do also. You have to go from right to left. Right to left. That's it. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. We know that. After that I have to multiply these two. 1 into 3 equal to 3. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 3 plus 4 7. So that's what I have to write it in here. After that what I have to do is 2 into 1, and 2 into 1 is 2, and 276 is the answer. That's it. It's that simple. So if you want to multiply two things, then you have to do it like this. So if I am going to do it in a traditional way, I have to take much time. I have to do much time on that. See that. So if you want to see that 25 into 15, what you have to do is 5 into 5, 25, and 5 would be here, and 2 should be the carry for the next calculation, and that's why we have to see. So for the next calculation, 2 into 5 is 10, plus 5 is 5, so 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 2, 17, so we have to write 7 in here, 1 would be here, and then 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 3, and 375 should be our answer. See, that's it. So 2 and 1 should be the carries here. So you have to add them to the next multiplication from right to left. That is 375 in here. That's it. So see that. So I am going to write it very neatly. See that. Go from right to left, and like A, B, C, D. Okay. Step 1, step 2, step 3. B into D, and then A into D plus B into C and then A into C. So you have to put them, and that should be your final answer, nothing else. And you have to follow this again and again. And so if you are used to it, this the whatever the steps would be here, this process, then you are going to, that is going to be very easy to you. So you don't have to do much anything. See, like that you do that. See, like something I will take like 17 and 52 something, 14, 1, 2 plus 35, 35 plus 2, 37. See, this is carry. So I have to write the carry number. I have to add that to the next multiplication. I can see that 37 plus 1, 38. So I have to write 8 in here, and 3 would be my carry again. And then 1 into 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 884 my answer. That's it. If you haven't known, you can check it with the calculator and you can get that very easily. So yeah, this is the way. So what about this 3-digit multiplication? So if I am going to write it for 3-digit multiplication, this is going to be some complex compared to that, but that is going to be very easy when compared to the traditional method. That's what I am going to tell you now. See, what I have to take is like, I am going to give you the concept of that, and after that I am going to tell you what to do. So A, B, C, D, E, F, C, like this. So you have to get it like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5. देखने में तो 5 steps है, लेकिन it's very easy. It's very easy if you look at this and just concentrate on that, and it will be easy. See that you have to go by this rule like 2, 4, 6, 4, 2. If you are going by that rule, then that will be very easy, and you don't have to think about much about that. So 3 by 3, whenever the 3-digit multiplication should be there and both are 3 digits, then you can use this method. That is, you have to do this first. The same thing like B and this thing like C and F. C into F is the first one, and the second step you have to do it like these two. That is B into F plus C into E. And for the third step you have to use the 3 numbers, and that is, that thing is very careful. See carefully in here. That is, you have to multiply A into F and C into D and B into E. See, A into F plus C into D plus B into E. And then in the fourth step, otherwise I am going to give you the steps in here, then you are going to get it very easily. For this, you have to only choose this and multiply this. For this, you have to multiply this. And for this step, you have to multiply this like that. And for the fourth step, you have to go again and you have to multiply only these two. Only this 4 you have to multiply. That is A into E plus B into D. That is and for the fifth step you have to only simply multiply A into D. That's it. See, that's it. So these are the steps you have to follow. See, this is the steps you have to follow, and by following that steps you can directly get the answer very simply, quickly, and see that. Very simply and quickly see that. So we will go by some easy way, some easy sums like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and it's like 1, 1, 2, something like this. That would be easy. See, what I have to do is the same thing I have to follow. First of all, I have to do is like 2 into 3, 6, and then I have to do like this, 4 plus 3, 7, and then I have to multiply these ones, 1 2 is 2 plus 3 1 is 3, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7, and then I have to multiply these two, and then I have to go these 4, 1 plus 2, 3, then I have to multiply finally by these 2, 1 into 1, 3, 1. See 1 3 7 7 6, this would be my answer, and that's it. That's simple. So if carries are involved in there, you have to follow the same way whatever you have followed here, the same way you have to follow here, and you will get the answer. And that one, otherwise we will see the same formula what we have seen there in the question. In the second question I have already told you about 195 and 196, we will see that. So see that 195 and 196. First of all, you have to do this. 5 into 6 is like 30, and 0 would be here, and 3 would be carry. After that, 54 plus 45, that would be 99, and 99 plus 3, you have to add that here, equal to, it's like 102 would be carry. So from here 2 would be written here, that is 10 would be my carry in here. Okay. After that what I have to do is I have to go by these numbers, that is 6 into 1 6 plus 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 81, 81 plus 11, that is it's 92, and then the 10 is carry there, so I have to add 10 to this, and it would be 102. So 2 I have to write in here, and then the 10 would be the carry. So 10 is again carry. So after that I have to multiply these 4. So 9 was a 9 plus 9 was a 9. It's 18. 18 plus 10 is 9 plus 9. 18 plus 10 equal to 28. And then 8 I have to write this. So 2 is carry. So I have to write 8 in here. The 2 is carry. And 1 was a 1. 1 plus 2 is carry. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3, and my answer would be 3. See this. 38220 is my answer. So this is very simple. So if you are looking at these steps, and if you are thinking about you have to do this multiplication, this would be very hectic if you think. But if you are get used to it, then this is going to be the very easy formula and very easy procedure to get multiplying this 3-digit multiplication. That's very simple. So you don't have to waste much time on multiplication, and see this. So yeah, this is the one. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.